Now come to the programming part of Blynk app. First of all, you need to download the Blynk library in Arduino IDE. I have given you the procedure that how you can download the Blynk library. I'll also tell you that how we can download. Just go to your Arduino IDE, go to File, go to Sketch, go to Include Libraries, go to Manage Libraries. It will take few time to just compile up all your libraries. Then we will tell you that how you can add Blynk library in it. So let's wait for a minute. Search Blynk. See, this is the library. I have already installed it. You must download this library for the development. Then let's go to the presentation part. Setting a project on of Blynk app. Now we will tell you that how you can set up the project using Blynk app. So let's go to the Blynk application. This is the Blynk app. Go to new projects. Here your board is NodeMCU, just select the board NodeMCU. Wi-Fi, it should be Wi-Fi dark and create. This is the authorization token number that will be sent to your email ID. See, this is my email ID. The token will be sent to this email ID. So this is very important. I will tell you what is this and how you can receive this. See, I have already received the token ID in my mail. So we will use this email ID for the project development. On the plus button, you can see there are widgets. You have the energy balance, means everything has been already listed, the cost and everything. I have 700, so I will list only 700 amount of widgets in my app. So these are the widgets. These widgets are very important. Significance of widgets, I have already told you that what are the significance of village. So we will start with the project in the next presentation.